Layla, can you determine the colors of the objects on the table?
Yes.
Okay. What color is this?
Brown.
What's the Bisaya of brown?
This is tabunan.
This one. What color is this?
Blue. This is
What's the Bisaya of that?
asul.
Okay. The next one.
Hmm?
What color is that?
Even it's a sound.
Oh, okay. Okay. Sit down. What color is that?
Red.
What's the Bisaya?
This is color red. This is pula.
Okay. The next one.
Then
What color?
yellow. This is dalag.
Okay. The next one.
This is orange.
What is the Bisaya? What's the Bisaya of that? Ara. Concentrate on what you're doing. What the Bisaya of that orange?
Hmm?
What's the Bisaya of that orange?
Fernando.
Kahil.
Bahil.
Okay. The other one. The other one. This one. What color is this?
Purple.
Purple or obihon?
Purple. Ibukon.
Obihon.
Obihon.
Then what color is that?
Black.
What's the Bisaya?
Asul.
No. That is itom.
Use the orange A side.
Okay.
I want to see this A side.
What color is that?
Hey!
What color is that?
Green.
Green.
A side.
Oh, what's the Bisaya of that?
Papi, open this one. Green dito.
Green nga eh.
A side of green.
Yes.
No tip.
What's the Bisaya of green?
Lunhaw.
Okay, good.